Hello everyone, warm welcome to Decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth. And well, a lot is happening with the second wave of the coronavirus crisis. A lot of us are feeling exhausted, hurt, upset, sad, depressed. A lot of emotions are coming through us, and similar emotions, and rather even more, are also being shown by the stock market and its investors. So while life continues, our intention at Women on Wealth is to continue looking at our financial goals and the actions which are needed to reach there. So let's begin closely with them with love and abundance on this Fortune Friday. Good morning, community. Yes, Sheetal is sharing from Women on Wealth. Let's begin. So today, the first, hey Rohini, good morning everyone. So the first news that I'm going to decode today is from the markets page. It is page number, let me see. So this is most likely page number 7. Yeah, it's page number 7 from the Economic Times newspaper. So I am talking from this newspaper. Hey Lit, good morning. So Prerna, hi. So traders have carried forward bullish bets to the May derivative series. Now look at it. Okay, you may not understand clearly what they are saying, but you can pick up stuff on the sentiments in the market. And that is what we need to do. We need to pick up the sentiments. We need to pick up what is coming ahead or what is being forecasted or predicted by these people. They're not gods, so don't expect that what they're saying is truly going to come true. But yes, it can give us a perspective, a way forward to look into. Hey Kavneet, good morning. So traders carried forward bullish bets. So this informs you that stock investors, traders are bullish on the market. And this is because of the strong corporate earnings that the corporate have. So earnings have been shared. Bajaj Finance, HUL, a lot of companies shared their earnings, okay, their quarter performances, and those quarter performances have been good. So traders, the stock investors, are bullish about the market. What does bull mean? Bull means it has straight horns, which means way forward, a way ahead is upwards. So an upward trend is what they are expecting because of the corporate earnings, number one, and on expectation that the country will tide over the second COVID-19 wave crisis. So that's the next thing which is coming ahead. So number one is the earnings growth, number two is the COVID-19 wave crisis, and that the company will tide over it. And still, so there is this bullish temperament, there is this positive trend, positive way of thinking for the market as of now among traders. At the same time, the way that they were thinking in March is not how they are thinking in April, because there is uncertainty still whether the market will be able to sustain its recent gains or not. So are these gains sustainable? That's a question mark. So there is uncertainty around that. But yes, there is a way carry forward, and that way is positive. Analysts are saying that there is lower rollover because of this situation. The Nifty ended up 30 points, so it went up and ended up 30 points at 14,894. So it's closer to 15,000 now, Nifty. The overall momentum is quite strong. Once we close above 15,000 or 15,050, we may head to a new high, and this is being said by the Edelweiss Alternative Research. So 15,000, once the Nifty cross, analysts are saying that this could be the next, we could be heading to the next new high. We know in the last couple of months, market has hit its high. Yeah, it's record high. So are we expecting a new record to be set in this month or in the coming month? Well, we are yet to see it, but most likely it's coming. And if we can deal with this uncertainty that COVID-19 is bringing right now, the second wave is bringing, I think we can really, really march ahead. Market is still sensitive in terms of rising COVID cases. For the first 10 days of the series, we may see volatility as COVID uncertainty is still here. This is being said by an head technicals Axis Security, Rajesh Pallavi. So he's saying that the first 10 days could be a little more volatile, and then it may settle as COVID-19 second wave settles. Analysts see the strong support for the index at 14,600. So if it comes down, the support level which is being talked about is 14,600, while it is at 14,800 and above. So on the downside, if it crosses 14,600, then we are looking for another downtrend. And if it goes over 15,000, 15,050, then there is likely uptrend, and this is being said by the analysts. So it has continued to hold above 14,700 zones. This is being nifty, okay, that it has been holding above 14,700 to witness an up move towards 15,150 and 15,350 zones. So this is another analyst of Motilal Oswal who is saying that it has been keeping over and above 14,700 zone. So there is a likelihood of it touching 15,150, 15,350 zone. While on the downward side, it can be 14,600 and then 14,450. So these are all the predictions on both the sides which are coming. And this clearly tells you that there is yet uncertainty. Yes, there is positivity and there is bullish trend, and yet there is this concern of a downward trend. What are you getting, guys? Well, the unemployment rate is rising. That is also another news, and we will look at that too. Please start sharing. What are you understanding? Ridhima, Preeti, Meera, Gauri, Hira, Sonika. Good morning, everyone. Warm welcome. Start typing. Everybody, what are you getting? What are you understanding? Come on, guys, quickly, very quickly. And if you're feeling any emotion, do share that too. You know we are a community and we take care of each other. So type that in. Himani, your relationship manager has suggested that if the market drops, then I should look into parking some amount from my ULIPs into a blue chip. And the basis of that was that Sensex is dropping, so I should park a % from debt fund to blue chip. Well, he's trying to time the market, Himani. I am not into timing the market. I think if you are entering the right mutual fund, the right stock, the right investments, the more time you will give to it, the more time it has in the market, the more you're going to make money, and especially passive income for that financial freedom fund of yours. So I think any time is a good time. We shouldn't be waiting. We should be investing month on month like we've learned in the Money Gym course. And I think, Himani, you have completed the course, so you know the strategy and you have a written financial plan. Sonika, markets are volatile. Yes, but like we've learned, we have to keep investing month on month based on our study and research and keep going. Yes. Preeti, there is uncertainty with regards to the COVID situation, yet there is optimism in the market. Absolutely. Good time to invest. Juhi, got that. Prerna, volatility is there, market is bullish or getting there. But for me, the lesson is to stay put and continue. Yes, continue with my study, continue with my investments, keep going. Let nothing stop you from really achieving your goals, making it through. Keep investing regularly. Got that, Preeti? Yes, Himani. Another article is on the jobless rate, the unemployment rate, which is on a rise. Why? Because labor is not getting as much work. So India's unemployment rate has shot up in the first 2 weeks of April and is likely to swell to about 8% this month from 6.5% in March. This is because of the lower absorption of labor in the market. And this is being said by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy. The weekly unemployment rate was 7.4% in 7 days, ended April 25th, compared with 8.2% in the first week, 8.6% in the second, and 8.4% in the third. So average comes to about 8%. So in the weekly analysis, the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy has said that the unemployment rate has dropped in the third and fourth week. Nevertheless, it is likely to be close to 8% during the month of April after closing March at 6.5%. So this is also happening around us, and we got to keep a tab on what's happening in the economy around us and how the stock market is behaving, because a lot of our investments are driven by the market. So we need to keep our eyes and ears open on what's happening around us. Sure, Ekta. Ekta is acknowledging me for my punctuality. Thanks, Ekta. This is the 101 episode of the decoding of the financial wealth newspapers. So thank you so much. And this would have not been possible had our community not been participating and really taking value for themselves. This work exists because people like you, women like you, are willing to learn and gain more and more with each passing day. Let though market is volatile, it doesn't prevent us from investing. Not at all. Let nothing stop you. You need to be the unstoppable self. Gauri, even though there is COVID wave, market is still bullish. Got that? Thank you so much for sending in those hearts, Prerna. Namita, good morning. So guys, that's about it. This is what I want to bring forth for all of you from today. Well, the newspaper is also full with all the coronavirus news, but I am just watching as much as I can take so that it doesn't affect me over and beyond. Yeah, that's it from me. Anything you guys want to ask or share, or you want me to listen to you, so start typing. If there is anything, we can spend about 1 or 2 minutes in just listening to each other. And yes, then I have a request. I want all of you to go to the review section of the Women on Wealth page and write in your reviews, because I'm sure you've been taking value. Many of us are community members. We've not left reviews on the Women on Wealth Facebook page, but that is one request that I have from all of you today. So go ahead. Before we do that, any questions, any concerns, anything you want to share? Are you okay? Are you taken care of emotionally, physically? Yeah, because times are such, and we got to make sure we are taken care of. Why is HCL falling? Good question. I've not been following HCL truly, Namita. I know that it is one of the companies that has passed many tests. I am not a stockbroker here. I'm not an advisor. So yes, figure with your community. You are in the inner circle of the stock investors community, Namita. Check with them. I'm sure there are investors there who are investing in HCL and tracking it. Yes, Lit, please write the review shortly and make sure every community member writes it, because we need that support. So Lit, I'm holding you as a leader for the inner circle community. Make sure this gets done. Okay, guys. So then I'm completing for today. Take care of yourself. If you want, if you want that you be listened to, get in touch. You all have my email ID, my WhatsApp number. Get in touch. Make sure that you're taken care of. I am an email away, a WhatsApp message away, so don't shy away. If you want to be heard, know that I'm right around to take care of each one of you. Loads of love. Let nothing impact your wealth creation journey. Just keep going because this too shall pass. So make sure you keep moving ahead. Yes, Prerna is sharing that she had promised to write a review but forgot, and she will write it today. Holding each one of you to make sure that you write this review, and Prerna and Lit do drive this in our community. Loads of love, everyone. Take charge. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Loads of love.